loud. And three things you do is when you step, you're going to step with the balls of your feet on the ground, never lifting off the ground. And the second thing you're going to do to Tango Fire walks is you are going to step through your axis, so your thighs and knees should brush past each other as you step. And the third and final thing to Tango Fire walks is you're going to step with an extended foot or an extended leg. So it shouldn't be like, bouncing stuff.
Cool. We did that forward, we did that backwards. We talked a little bit about what tango music is, how we dance to traditional Argentine tango music, although it doesn't have to be. There's a lot of fusion tango and alternative tango that we dance. We talked about how Argentine tango music was 4/4 time, which means you have 4 beats per measure, and we dance on the hard beat, which was on a 1 and a 3. Then we partnered up. And how we partner up, we stand in front of each other, directly in front of each other, so that I could kick Zach in the shins if I wanted to. Please don't kick people in the shins. Follows raise the left hand.
And then you place your right hand on the follower shoulder blade.
Follows raise your hand on the lead's arm. Depending on the height of your lead, if your lead is much taller than you, then you want to be down here on the arm. If you're much taller than your lead, you might want to drape on the back.
Right, and now leads, you're going to raise your left arm.
And follows with the hand.
Right, now this is Tango frame.
So we talked about how to get into walks, which was you want to take a little bit of a weight change so that both of you can feel what side weight you're on.
And on the same side or same side foot, you're going to take steps, just moving forward, moving the chest.
Then we talked about ochos. So for ochos, we did a little exercise on our own. We had our weight on our right leg, turned to our pivot our right, stepped with our left leg forward, collected, pivot the other way, stepped, collect, pivot, stepped, collect, pivot. Now we did this in partnership.
So we start with a rock step or a cadencia step. Forward, move open to the right, take forward step. And lead, you can take steps to the side back, helps with this turn. But the key to making this successful is you want to keep your frames parallel, and leads want to rotate with the follow.
So we did that. We learned how to get out of it, which, say we're in forward ochos. You just want to keep doing forward ochos, square off after the lead has taken a step to the left.
And then you can just step out. And you guys just have to be on the same side of foot to make that work.
Then we talked about back ochos. And back ochos, we did another exercise. We had weight on our right foot, pivoted to our left, step back with our left foot. Now collected and pivoted, step back with our right foot. And continually did this. Then we learned how to do that in British as well.
So to start this, we start with a side step, which is just a side to lead left. Now we take an in-place step lead. So this is very important. And rotate to our left, take a step forward as we lead these back ochos. So we taught a way to exit this. If we lead back ochos to the lead's right, we can just go into forward ochos by going back and steps back.
Cool. And the same. And then finally, we can do something fun, a little bit more complicated, which was the Ruria Parada Pasada combo. Which looks
now
like
available at Taco Bell. So we start with our back ochos, we take them place step, and you can do these however many times you want. Then we're going to stop once we lead a back ocho to our lead's right. So leads, our weight is going to be on our left foot, and we're going to slide our right foot to meet the follows. And now we're going to shift weight and place our other foot next to the follows and step back.
Follows are going to sandwich the lead's foot.
And then we open up to lead right and just lead forward ochos, and we can step out.
So that was our lesson today. Thank you guys for coming. Lesson review is over.